Can an owner fasten a CCTV camera recording both vision and sound to common property without the committee's permission? If the answer is no, must the camera and sound equipment be removed? And what can the committee do if they have followed the correct procedure, but the owner refuses to cooperate?
The answer is no. So when it comes to common property, an owner must seek approval to make what's called an improvement to common property. And the level of approval required is dependent upon value of the work. But effectively, Frank, if it's over $3,000 worth of improvement, it will go to a general meeting of all owners.
So, and what I'd say to that also is even if it's under $3,000, a committee can make a decision, but it's not obliged to. So for something like that, it might choose to refer it to general meeting for approval. So, and the simplest analogy is any improvement to common property requires that. So if I want to go paint the wall in the gazebo pink in common property, then I need to get committee approval to it. So no. And so I suppose in Queensland at least, you're potentially off to the Commissioner's office for an order that be removed. Although, and again, it wouldn't be legal to do it. It wouldn't be the first time I've seen committee members or lot owners take the law into their own hands in the sense and just rip it down. That absolutely would happen too. Not that that is a legal way to approach that particular issue, but that's usually what happens because the Commissioner's office will take 9 to 11 months to make a decision.
One of the other options there, Frank, is that the owner could be invited to seek retrospective approval for the installation as well. And in fact, that is typically one of the orders that comes out of the Commissioner's office as well. So if the owner has not sought approval, then the owner can be asked to seek approval, and the committee or general meeting does have the power to do so retrospectively. But I think, Peter, again, coming back to your point, I think you're looking at the scenario where all of those options have been exhausted and the owner refuses to either do anything about it or refuses to seek approval. Yes, you can seek an order from the Commissioner's office, and yes, absolutely, it can be ordered to be removed and replaced to back how it was. Yes.